What is up, race fans? My name is Owen, and welcome back to the Ben Fender podcast. And this one, we are doing something a little different. We are going to be building the Lego Speed Champions Aston Martin safety car and F1 car. It'll be a two-part episode, but yeah. So, let's get right into it. Alright, so in the box there are 6 of the numbered bags, 2 instructions, 2 sticker sheets, and then one of these ones, and then one of the smaller kind of chassis ones. But, so in this one, we are doing the AMR safety car. So, yeah, let's do this. Alright, so as always, let's start off by building our safety car driver. Or Burt Mylander for all of you, all of us F1 fans. So, alright. Why does Mylander have the wrench? Shouldn't it be one of the Aston Martin team members, not the safety car driver? Alright. Well, getting into the actual build, starting off with this piece. Then we're going to need 2 studs. Next off, we're going to need 2 of the 1x2 jumper plates. After that, I'm going to need 2 of the 2x2 plates that's smooth and has 2 studs on it. Alright, those will go there. Then I'm going to need this 1x3 rounded plate going in between, as well as a 1x6 and a 1x5 plate. And 1x5. Next, I'm going to need 2 1x1 rounded studs, or smooth studs, I should say. Those will go on there. Then I'm going to need a 1x6 plate, followed by a 1x2 plate. Next up, I'm going to need 2 1x3 jumper plates. Then I'm going to need 2 1x2 jumper plates. And then a 1x1 plate. Alright. Next up, I'm going to need a 1x3 rounded plate, followed by this kind of 1x2 piece. Then I'm going to need a 1x1 smooth plate, as well as a 1x2 slope plate, which this will get the first sticker on it. Alright, so there is the sticker. That'll go on like so. Then this will go on like that. Next, I will need this 2x6 plate, followed by a 1x2 smooth plate with a 1x2 vertical smooth plate going up. Then I'm going to need 2 smooth studs. Then I'm going to need 2 1x3 jumper plates, followed by 2 of these 1x2 kind of sloped pieces. So this will go like so, and then this will go on here. Next, I'm going to need another one of those pieces and the steering wheel piece. To go on like so. Then I'm going to need 2 1x1 plates with a 1x1 vertical plate going down. Next up, I'm going to need a 1x4 plate, followed by 2 1x3 corner plates. Then I'm going to need 2 1x2 plates. And this will go there like so. Then I'm going to need 2 of these 1x1 studs that are connected by a 2x6 vertical plate, and 2 1x1 studs that have a 1x1 vertical plate going up. Alright. There we go. Then we're going to need 2 more of the 1x3 corner plates, which will go like so. Next, I'm going to need a 1x2 plate with a 1x2 vertical plate going up. Then I'm going to need a 1x2 smooth plate, and this is getting a sticker on it. Alright, so there is the sticker. That is going to go on there like so. You can see that. Then I'm going to need a 1x2 plate. Then I'm going to need this 1x6 piece, which will go on the bottom like so. Now I'm going to need this 2x2 plate, followed by this 2x2 sloped plate, followed by the this 2x6 piece. Alright. Then the Technic pins. Next, I'm going to need a 1x6 plate, followed by 2 1x1 bricks with 2 studs on opposite sides, and another 2 1x1 bricks with an indented stud on one side. Those will go in like so, and be on like that. Then I'm going to need 2 more 1x1 bricks with a stud on the side. Then this will connect in like so. Then I'm going to need 2 of these 2x2 plates that have the notches cut out of it. And it'll be like so. Then I'm going to need 2 1x2 plates, followed by a 2x3 plate. Next, I'm going to need 2 2x6 plates. Oh, shit. And then I'm going to need a 2x4 plate, followed by another 1x6 plate. Oh. Then I'm going to need 3 1x2 plates with a 1x2 vertical plate going up. And then a 1x1 version of the same thing. Going on the back. Next, I'm going to need a 1x1 smooth plate, followed by a 1x6 smooth plate, which will get a sticker on it. Alright, so there's that sticker. That will go on there like so. Then I'm going to need this 2x2 plate that has the little cutout in it, as well as a stud and this 1x2 sloped piece. So they will go on like so. Then I'm going to need a 2x2 plate, which will get a sticker on it. Alright, so there's that sticker. That'll go on there. Next, I'm going to need a 1x1 plate, followed by a 1x2 sloped plate, which will go on like so. Then I need to do the same thing for the other side. Alright, and there is the other side. Next, I'm going to need a 1x6 plate, followed by 2 1x1 studs. This will go on like so. Next, I'm going to need 2 of the 1x1 by 2 plates. Those will go on the back like so. Then I'm going to need this, the wheel wells, or the wheel chassis? No. The wheel stuff again. Alright. Next, I'm going to need this 1x6 piece, followed by 2 studs, followed by 2 more studs, followed by this 2x2 plate with 2 studs on one side. That will go like this, and this will connect on like so. Then I'm going to need a 1x4 plate, followed by 2 1x3 corner plates, and now we are going to open bag 2. Alright, so first up I'm going to need 2 of the 4x4 wheel well pieces, followed by 2 1x1 studs, and then 2 of the 1x2 cheese slopes. Then these will go on either side. Alright, so there we go. Then I'm going to need 2 of the 1x4 plates, which will go on like so. Then I'm going to need 2 more of the 2x4 wheel well pieces. Those will go up front. Then I'm going to need a 1x4 plate, followed by a 1x2 plate with a horizontal bar on one side. Then I'm going to need 2 1x1 plates, which are, and those will go in like so. Then I'm going to need 2 1x3 plate or 2x3 plates, followed by a 2x2 plate, followed by a 2x6 plate, followed by 2 1x1 plates with this little tooth-looking extension going out of it. Those will go on either side like so. Next, I'm going to need a 1x6 smooth plate, followed by a 2x4 plate, and then 2 1x1 smooth plates. Then I'm going to need 2 of these 2x2 pieces that have the notch cut out of them. Those will go there. And I'm going to need 2 more of the 1x1 smooth plates. Then I'm going to need these 2 pieces, or nope, where is it? These 2 pieces, and I'm going to need 2 of each, and these 2 are going to get stickers on them. Alright, so each of those light pieces will go there. And the other pieces will connect on there, like so. Then, flip into the back side here. Gonna need one of these 1x2 gold bar pieces. Put it there. Then I'm gonna need 2 1x1 studs or 1x1 plates that have a hook on top. Those will go on like so. Then I'm going to need 2 1x3 bricks and 2 1x1 bricks that have a stud on one side. Those will go on the ends here. Next, I'm going to need this 1x2 plate with a 2x2 reverse plate kind of centered. Then I'm going to need a 1x2 plate with two vertical hooks on it. Then I'm going to need a 1x2 plate. And then this 1x2 kind of pyramid, or not pyramid, kind of this piece that's kind of pointed. Alright. Then I'm going to need one of these bar looking pieces. Then I'm going to need another 1x2 plate. There it is. Followed by a 1x2 plate with a bar, with a horizontal bar on it. Followed by another 1x2 plate. Followed by two 1x1 plates that have a kind of vertical double-sided stud on it. I don't know what the piece. Yeah. Next, I'm going to need two 1x1 cheese slopes. And then this is just going to fit in like so, all loose and stuff. Alright. I missed something. I missed a whole step. Alright, I'm taking that out for 2 seconds. I'm going to need two of these 1x3 corner plates, which are rounded, which will go on like so. Then I'm going to need two more of the 1x2 kind of gold bar looking pieces. Then this piece is going to plop in like so. Then gonna need two 1x4 plates. Then I'm gonna need these two 1x1 or 1x2 slope pieces. So this one will go like that. The other one will go on the other side. And I'm gonna need two of these 1x1 plates with the little tooth on it. And then these will connect on like so. Next, I'm going to need two 1x1 plates. Going on like so. Then I'm going to need these two 1x2 smooth plates, which will go like that. Next, I'm going to need two studs with a horizontal bar going out of the middle. Then, I'm going to need two of these double high studs with a stud on the side. Then I'm going to need a 1x2 smooth plate. Then I'm going to need two of these pieces that have... I don't even know what those pieces are called. It's that wild. Next, I'm going to need these two kind of minifig backpack holder pieces, like that'll go on like the back of the minifigs to hold a backpack on or something. That's the best way I can explain it, but I don't know what they're called. I'm bad at my job, aren't I? Lol. Alright, after that I'm going to need a 1x2 clear plate. And that will connect on like so. Next I'm going to need a 1x2 rounded plate, followed by a 1x1 plate with a horizontal hook on it. Or, yeah. Then I'm going to need a 1x1 cheese slope, followed by a 1x1 smooth plate. Then I need basically the same thing, just flipped around. I mean, the cheese slope is the other way around. Then we are flipping them over and putting those, clipping these on like so. Oh, come on. There we go. Then I'm going to need a 1x4 plate, followed by a 1x6 plate, followed by two 1x1 plates with a 1x1 vertical plate going up. And then I'm going to need these two 1x2 smooth plates that have the angles on them, and both of these are getting stickers on them. Alright, so there are those stickers, and I am putting these on like so, and then this will connect on like so. Now we're going on to the third and final bag. Alright, so starting out, I'm going to need this 1x4 plate and a 1x6 plate. Then I'm going to need two 1x1 plates with a 1x1 vertical plate going up on either side. Then I'm going to need two 1x1 studs, or 1x1 plates, I should say. Then I'm going to need two 1x2 plates with a 1x2 vertical plate going down. Then I'm going to need a 1x2 plate with a 1x4 vertical plate going down, followed by this 1x2 brick with the Aston Martin logo on it, which will go up. Then I'm going to need a 1x2 smooth plate, followed by two 1x2 or 1x1 cheese slopes, and these last couple pieces are kind of transparent clear. This will go on like so. Next, I'm going to need a wait. Oh, yeah, okay. That makes sense now. This 1x2 plate with two studs on one side. followed by 2 of these kind of 1x2 pieces. Those will go on like so. And then this will connect on like that. Next, I'm going to need 2 1x1 plates with a 1x1 vertical plate going up. Then I'm going to need a 1x1 transparent plate, followed by a 1x1 quarter circle plate. And this one will go on this side. Yeah. Then that is on the other side. Next, I'm going to need this 1x2 smooth plates, or I'm going to need 1 of each actually. So this one will go on there, that will go on there. Then I'm going to need 2 of these binocular pieces, which will go out like that. Then gonna need this 2x2 plate, followed by this 1x2 sloped plate that has a little notch cut out of it. Then I'm gonna need a 1x2 plate, or make that 2 1x2 plates, another 2x2 plates, and then another one of the 1x2 plates. Then both of the 1x2 smooth plates will get a sticker on it. So there are those stickers. This will go on like so. And I will snap this to the back in a second. Oh no, come on. Alright, there we go. Next up, I am going to need these 2 pieces, followed by 2 1x1 plates. And the big pieces are getting stickers on them. Alright, so there are those stickers. And these will go on like so. Then, set that off to the side for a second. Gonna need this 1x4 brick with 4 studs on the one side. Then I'm gonna need a 1x2 kind of bar looking piece. Then I'm gonna need 2 1x1 cheese slopes. And the back of this is getting a sticker on it. Alright, so there is the Aston Martin sticker. It's kind of upside down. But I'm going to need a 1x1 plate with 2 kind of vertical hooks on it. Then I'm going to need 2 1x1 plates. After that, I'm going to need a 1x4 clear brick and a 1x4 clear smooth plate with a 1x4 smooth plate going up. This will connect on like that. Then I'm going to need two 1x1 plates with a 1x1 vertical plate going up, as well as two 1x1 quarter circle pieces. These are going to act as the mirrors, so they will go on like so. Then I'm going to need the windshield piece. After that, I'm going to need a 1x8, or 1x8, what the hell? A 1x5 plate, followed by two 1x2 clear plates, followed by a 1x1 clear plate. Then I'm going to need a 2x2 rounded plate, followed by two 1x1 studs that have the holes, and then this will go on like so. Next up, I'm going to need a 1x1 or 1x2 plate, followed by a 2x2 slope plate, and this is going to get a sticker on it. So there is the sticker, and then this one will, before that, I'm going to need a 1x2 plate with two vertical bars on one side. Then I'm going to need two of the neck backpack pieces. And then this will clip on like so. Next, I'm going to need a bunch of these 1x2 plates with a 2x2 vertical plate. And I'm going to need three of the 1x2 smooth plates with a 1x2 vertical smooth plate going up. So I'm going to need three of the 1x2, and then four of the 2x2 ones. Then I'm going to need two of the two high studs with the one stud on the side. Then I'm going to need two of the 1x1 cheese slopes. Son of a bitch. Alright. Then I'm going to need two more of the 1x1 quarter circle pieces to go on either end. Then I'm going to need a 1x3 smooth plate, two 1x3 smooth plates, followed by two 2x3 plates that are angled. going like so. Then this will connect on like that. Then, gonna need a 1x3 corner plate, followed by a 1x1 or 1x2 slope plate, followed by a 1x3 plate, followed by this 2x3 sloped piece. Then I'm going to need this 2x3 piece, or a 2x2 piece that has the little notch out of it. And then this reversed 1x2 sloped plate, which will go somewhere. Right. Which will go like this. This will go on like so. And I'm going to need the same thing for the other side. Alright, so here's the other side, which will go in like so. Then I'm going to need this 4x4 hood type piece, which this will get the last sticker on it. Alright, so there is that sticker. This will go on like so. Then I will put the tires on, and we are basically done. We are done. So, with that being said, thank you all. With that being said, alright, so thank you all very much for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe, as well as go check out my other channels, one being my main of Fanrantan, and the other one being a D&D one that is under the Boundless Shores. So, thank you all very much for watching, and we will see you next time. Peace.